HeatSign HS-DE01, a compact, reliable Peen marking machine designed for fasteners and small parts. This machine is perfect for marking screws, nuts, and base components with permanent identification. Using the precision pin system, the HS-DE01 creates durable marks for traceability, logos, and codes in just seconds. The result? Clear, permanent marks that stay legible, even in tough industrial conditions. HeatSign delivers reliable marking solutions for your production needs. Contact us today to learn more.